caused by torrential rains hit two Turkish provinces that were devastated by last month's catastrophic earthquake, officials said Wednesday. Rescue teams were still searching for 5 people reported missing in 3 locations after the flash flood made streets in Adiyaman and Sanliurfa province into rivers, swept away cars, inundated homes, and drenched campsites.
Güzel sular altında.
Search and rescue organization Avalanche said that in one 24-hour period, 136 mm or 5.4 inch of rain had fallen in one area of Adiyaman province and 111 mm or 4.4 inch in Sanliurfa, which saw a third of its annual rainfall in the past 2 days. The governor of Sanliurfa said his province had never seen flooding like it, and officials appealed to residents to evacuate their ground floor and basement of homes.
Ayda da yerinden devirmiş. Şanlıurfa'ya acil yardım lazım.
In Adiyaman, 2 people are missing after surging water swept away a container home sheltering a family of earthquake survivors. A footage from Sanliurfa showed flood water surging along a street and sweeping away cars and debris. Hundreds of people were evacuated. In Sanliurfa, the raging waters caused part of a highway in the region to collapse. Turkish disaster management agency said more than a dozen professional divers were involved in the rescue efforts in each of 2 provinces.